Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today Fritz has a new friend, kind of a hippie-looking frog to me. So I made this frog. I've had this fabric, and I thought, what if the fabric was his eyes, and what if I made Fritz a matching vest? And you know what? I like it. So the frog is made from fabric. I think I got it at Joann's, just some 70s kind of print. I just love it. I got it from my Blythe dolls. And I placed the eyes where I wanted them, and I really like that. Usually I use buttons or something there. This is my little hippie frog, and he's stuffed with soybeans that we found out in the field, and I cleaned up for him. I made Fritz's little vest out of the same fabric, and then I lined it with another fabric, which I like to do. I like to make it reversible, and he'll be showing you those at another time. So can you find Fritz out in this cornfield? Can you believe how much this corn has grown since the last time I filmed Fritz here? So can you find Fritz? Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.